In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data out of Zoho Books. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure each step is followed correctly to successfully back up your data. Let's get started. First, you'll need to sign into your Zoho account. Head over to the Zoho Books homepage and locate the Sign In button. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted with various sign-in options. Here, select Google to proceed using your Google account. Choose the account you wish to use for logging in. Now be aware that depending on your internet speed, there might be a slight delay while everything loads, so just be patient during this time. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen and find the settings icon. Clicking on that will open up a menu with various options. Scroll down towards the bottom and navigate to the developer and data section. This is where you'll find the tools necessary for exporting your data. Inside the developer and data section, look for the data backup option and proceed by clicking on it. This will bring you to the section where you can initiate the data backup process. Now when you're ready, click on the export your data option. This action will save a backup of your information from Zoho Books. It's crucial to note a couple of things before you proceed with your data export. Once you initiate this backup, Zoho Books has a policy in place that doesn't allow you to perform another data backup for the next 15 days. So make sure that you're exporting all the data you need during this session. Furthermore, one more pro tip. After initiating the backup, if you scroll down towards the bottom of this page, you have the option to download your latest data by simply clicking the download button. This ensures you have the most recent copy of your data saved locally on your device. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your data from Zoho Books. This process safeguards your financial data and gives you peace of mind knowing you have a backup should you need it. Remember, maintaining regular backups is a great practice in managing your business finances effectively. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and if you found it helpful, don't hesitate to hit that like button or share it with someone who might also benefit from this guide. As always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy exporting!